Hey guys, I got this 2-pack of fire extinguishers because I think it's just something that everybody should have in their home. I like that it comes in a 2-pack, and I like that it comes with the ability to extinguish all these different types of fires. So typically you need different classes of extinguishers for different types of fires, but this one says it's good for trash, wood, paper, flammable liquid, petroleum, textiles, electrical, RVs, boats, and cooking. So, you get one fire extinguisher that will do all those things instead of a bunch of different ones. So it makes it really easy to use. So this is the canister itself right here that it comes with. And it also comes with like this mounting bracket so you can hang it on the wall. I'll set this down real quick. So it's really nice to have this. So you just slide, lock that in there. And when you need it, just slide it out. And if you can see, the bracket has, of course, these mounting holes. So you go ahead and screw that to your wall wherever you want. And then you can just clip it in there and you have it handy. So if it's, in your kitchen or wherever you want them, just one thing to note real quick is that, they are fairly small canisters. So if you end up having a major problem, this probably won't be the answer, but this is for like small things, again, like on your stove, small things that come up. So it's really nice to have. I'm going to go ahead and like mount these on the wall, and just know again that you get two of these in a pack. So that's really nice.